Good day, this is Mike Padua once again, and we're back to our weather analysis for this Friday to Monday, April 30 to May 3, 2021, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set. Beginning today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday, we still have no major weather system affecting the Philippine Islands within the next 24 hours. So it generally dry, hot, blue skies with some patches of cloudy periods with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly in some selected areas of Mindanao. And we have here two high pressure areas which is bringing some ridge to the Philippine Islands. That's why we have some dry conditions. Cloudless sky, particularly here in the Bicol region. We have here a departing frontal system or a cold front, and outside of PAR, we don't have any developing tropical cyclones or LPAs within the next 5 to 10 days. It's all clear. We have here a wind convergence over the Marshall Islands and eastern Micronesia, and a surface trough to the south of Palau near the equator. And so far, that's the latest. And as we look at our fast animation, it's all clear across the Western Pacific. While we look at the windy.com satellite animation, this is the zoom in satellite animation. You can clearly see here as we move into the afternoon, particularly between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. We have some isolated thunderstorms roaming around the areas of southern Cebu, southern Negros, as well as the Zamboanga Peninsula and the western sections of Misamis Occidental area. There's some isolated thunderstorms brewing. Across Luzon, some very small thunderstorms can be observed here over the mountainous regions of the Cordillera. Well, the Bicol region is very clear with only a few cloudiness, particularly over Camarines Sur and Cam Norte. And as we look at our forecast for the rain and wind from windy.com, courtesy of the European model for the next 3 days until Monday, by tomorrow afternoon, expect much more thunderstorms will be expected across Mindanao, with some isolated patches over Negros and Panay, and also some possible thunderstorms over the mountains of northern Luzon, particularly Cordillera and Benguet Mountains. While the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain dry and hot, sunny, with heat index reaching a high of 47, okay, in some areas. And if we look into Sunday, still thunderstorms will be expected across Mindanao and some showers over the various portions of Cebu, and the return of some showers will be expected as well over the Bicol region, and thunderstorms across Ilocos region. We could see here the arrival of the easterly surface wind flow across the Philippine Islands, although it's slightly blowing from the east-northeast, but generally it's easterlies. And on Monday, expect the easterlies to become stronger, bringing some showers of thunderstorms across Bicol region. But these are scattered or isolated ones, and also across western Visayas, northern portions of Mindanao, as well the mountainous areas of northern Luzon, and also some areas of eastern Visayas. There could be some showers and thunderstorms come Monday afternoon. Okay, so far that's the latest for the next 3 days through the weekend until Monday, and we will be returning again next week for more updates on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. Happy weekend to all, and thank you for watching our channel.